Hey everyone, so today I'm in my robe and my head towel because I just got out of the shower and I'm going to be trying out a new product that you need damp hair for. I'm going to be starting a new series called Try It Tuesday. Over the next few weeks on my channel, I'm going to be trying out a new product that just either launched or is like the hot product at the moment that I'm going to try out and see for myself. I'm going to review and demo it for you guys. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. I love trying out new products and just, hopefully finding a new favorite. So today I'm going to be trying out Dry Bar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. So lately I have to say, like, my hair has been lacking so much volume. I guess I'll take it out of the towel now as I'm talking to you guys. But my hair has been lacking so much volume recently. So I just feel like I need some lift in my hair. I just need some lift at the roots. And I saw this launched recently and it sounds like really good, and I love Dry Bar products already. So I figured, why not try it out for you guys and demo it. I thought it'd be a fun video to do something a little bit different for my channel. So we're going to be trying this out today. On the back it says instant lift and volume, which I obviously want, and everybody who doesn't want some volume in their hair. It says ultra plumping spray foam targets roots for instant lift and volume. So it says for use on damp hair, shake well, spray into hair at the roots and gently massage until foam disappears. Blow dry as usual. So I have my hair dryer. I have a round brush, which I'll use in a little bit, but first I'll just go over it like usual, like just a general blow dry in the beginning. So I guess I will start with a side part, and it says, so yeah, shake well. Try this thing out. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm gonna start, oh, there we go. And just like massage into roots. It smells so good. If you use their dry shampoo, it smells the same, as very similar at least. So we're gonna spray some there, and then I'm gonna actually part it the other way, and then just spray again. Oh jeez. It's just like, I'm just gonna go a little bit all over now. Oh my god. I got some on my eyelash. I don't want to do that. We don't need volume in my lashes. Okay. So I'm just gonna massage this thoroughly into my roots. I got a pretty good, like, all over especially the front section of my hair. That's where I want volume. And now I guess you just kind of like activate it with the heat of your blow dryer. Alright, so now I'm going to use my hair dryer. This is the T3. This is the new Cura hair dryer. And I'm just going to put it on the highest heat setting and then just start blow drying in the roots to kind of get, this all dry and activate, like the product like activated, if you will. So I'm going to start this. Okay, this is like mid blow dry and I can already see definite lift in my roots. My hair is still though like fairly damp on the end, so it's probably like pulling a lot of weight still on my, it's not going to show the fullest potential, but so far I have to say, like, I definitely see a lot of lift and volume in my hair, and this really, really smells really nice. Like, it smells pretty good. Like, it smells really nice. So it smells really nice. So I'm gonna finish like blow drying the rest of my hair and then I'll meet you guys right back. Okay, so it is a few hours later. Actually, I got sidetracked, and then in some sense it was good because then you really get to see like how the product like sets for the rest of the day. Because when you first like blow dry your hair, of course it's like volumized because you just like freshly, we're flipping it around and stuff, you know what I mean? So like sometimes when you freshly blow dry, like the first 30 minutes it's like really full, and then it kind of settles down to what it's gonna be for the rest of the day. So in some sense, I'm glad I waited a few hours to show you guys the product, because at first, I have to say, my first impression, like immediately within the first few minutes, I thought my hair had like, so say you have like no volume, medium volume, and like lots and lots of volume. I'd say I had like a medium amount of volume. So like my hair is like at 0, and I'd say like it went to like a 5 or a 6 with the product in. I'd say I was pretty well like pleased with the results, because for me, like to get any kind of volume in my hair, it's like a miracle, because you know, having long hair, I'll show you the length of my hair is pretty long. So you know, I mean, just think about all that weight that is like on your hair. So like that's all pulling at the root here. It's so hard to get volume for people with longer hair. So I would say within the first like 30 minutes, I was like really happy with the results. And then, you know, I went about my day. I curled my hair like as I normally do. I actually purposely though didn't add any texture spray or anything, because I didn't want to like skew the results of this. You know, I usually put texture spray in the roots to like give it some, you know, texture and just a little bit of body, but I didn't do that, obviously. I didn't want to ruin my results, so I wanted to be just this product here. But I'd say after a few hours, I'd say this is about, what time is it? I'd say at least a good 3 hours later, and I'm really, you know what, not that impressed with the level of volume. I mean, if anything, like if my hair was flat at a 0, it probably right now it's at like a 2, if that. Like it gave like the tiniest amount of texture and volume. Not texture, but like it just gave a little bit of lift. But I really don't see, like it wasn't like this like voluminous like amazing amount of body or anything. So you know, I actually have to say, if your hair is longer and it's like mine, that's very hard to get volume, I would probably pass on this product. However, I think if you have medium to shorter length hair, you might benefit from this product, because your hair isn't weighed down. This might give like a good amount of lift to your hair, you know, if you do have the shorter length hair. But if you have long hair like mine, I would definitely just pass on this product. Save your money. So yeah, I mean, it did give a little bit of volume. It does smell really good, I'll give it that. But for me, I was expecting way more, like way more. If you've tried this product, leave a comment below and tell me what your thoughts are on it. I would love to know your thoughts, because maybe I'm the only one. I don't know. Everything works different for everybody. So I hope you guys enjoy this Try It Out Tuesday. I'm really excited to start this like little series and try out new products. I'm going to be trying out some really fun products in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. So if you have not already, definitely hit that subscribe button below. You'll have notifications of my videos when they go live. I think that's about it for today's video. If you have any requests of any like new products that are like brand new and you want me to try them out and see how they work, leave them in the comments below, because I would love to hear that. So I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.